Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
While inland areas will see the more significant heat in the days ahead, today's actually going to be the warmest day for the coast. We'll look for temperatures climbing well up into the 70s, Brookings up to 82. Winds are going to be pretty gusty for coastal communities. That's going to help warm things up along with the sunshine, more of an offshore wind. Northern California today getting hotter, 98 in Wairika up to 95 in Mount Shasta. Temperatures getting into the triple digits in Happy Camp and Soames Bar. There will be some cumulus buildup along southern portions of Siskiyou County for the higher terrain. Can't totally rule out a stray shower or storm, but most of the region today is going to stay dry. We'll see mostly sunny skies in the basin, some increased smoke from fires to the north, up to 90 in Lakeview, 88 in Silver Lake, and up to 91 in Klamath Falls. Temperatures warming up for the mountains, up to 83 for Lake of the Woods, 91 in Prospect, and up to 92 for you folks in Butte Falls. Getting hot in the Rogue Valley, upper 90s today, 97 in Rogue River, up to 99 in Medford, and 97 in Grants Pass. North breezes picking up later today. So gets even hotter for the Rogue Valley on Sunday. Highs likely climbing into the triple digits. We'll continue to be dealing with some hazier conditions in the region. Lost Creek Lake, it's going to be a great time to find some body of water, but the smoke and haze will kind of put a damper on things just a little bit. But even up at Lost Creek Lake, we're looking at highs up around 101 degrees for your Sunday. And Crater Lake also warming up, upper 70s for highs on Sunday. Still at least a little bit of a light haze, but the smoke shouldn't be as bad as what we're going to see developing out there today. Excessive heat warnings in place for the west side on Sunday. Also a heat advisory for the basin. This is going to be several days of pretty intense heat in our west side valleys. Highs are well up into the triple digits each day through Thursday. This is a look at the ranges of temperatures that we'll see through this heat wave. Some of the hottest temperatures will be in the Rogue and Shasta valleys, as well as the Klamath River Valley, where temperatures could make a push towards 115 degrees. But even in the Medford area, we do have a shot at getting up to around 110 degrees on Monday. Now, with this heat wave, it's going to be a little bit different because the nights are going to be considerably warmer. We may not even make it out of the 70s in the Rogue Valley. So lows in the 70s, maybe even breaking some record warm lows through this stretch. So definitely be sure to take plenty of breaks, get in the AC if you can, and stay hydrated. Also, we're tracking the potential for thunderstorms next week. So between the heat, the dry conditions, fuels are going to dry out even further. Extreme fire weather impacts in place from Monday through Friday of next week. We are going to be watching those storm chances closely. We'll of course keep you posted on our newscast throughout the weekend. We do have, though, because of hot and dry conditions, breezy winds on Monday, a pretty expansive fire weather watch along and west of the Cascades. So be very cautious. We don't need any additional fires. And as far as your 7-day forecast goes, we're looking at temperatures pretty pleasant for the coast in the days ahead. Going to be a great place to beat the heat during this heat wave. Northern California tracking at least slight chances for thunderstorms starting Monday and continuing through next week. Taking a look at the Klamath Basin, we'll look for temperatures to steadily climb as we go through the weekend. Upper 90s on Monday. For the mountains, dry this weekend. Slight chances for storms Monday and Tuesday. Then again later in the week, of course, we'll be concerned about lightning for the potential for new fire starts. And then in the Rogue Valley, a scorching hot stretch of weather, several days with highs above 100 degrees, with the hottest day shaping up to be Monday.